Good evening, students. Hope you all are good. As I told you that your second semester has started. So first chapter of our second semester is light. And you know that light is a form of energy, right? Light is a form of energy. With the help of light only we are able to see all the things, right? Light falls on our eyes and we are able to see all the things around us. So what is light? Light is a form of energy that makes the things visible. Visible means we are able to see them, things visible, and stimulate our senses to see the things. Stimulate means it falls on our eyes and it gives a signal to the eye that see the things around us, right? So it is due to light only we are able to see the things around us. And the natural source of light means the most important source of light with the help of which we are able to see all the things around us or all the things present in the atmosphere is sun. With the help of sun we are able to see all the things, right? If sun is not there, then we are not able to see anything around us. So we are able to see the things around us only when they reflect back the light. When light falls on the things, they will bounce back the light. ठीक है? When the bounce back light falls on our eyes, we are able to see all the things around us, right? Clear? One more time. We are able to see the things around us only when they reflect back the light of the sun. मतलब उसको वापस भेज देती हैं, right? So the main source of light is natural source and artificial source. Natural means they are already present in the nature. Artificial means they are man-made. ठीक है? We get light from natural source as well as from artificial source. So natural source means sun produces its own light, right? Stars are there, fireflies are there, jugnu, they produce their own light, so they are the natural source of light. Now what are artificial source of light? Artificial means man-made, that are made by man. So as you know that bulb, ट्यूब लाइट, फायरवर्क्स, पटाखे जिसको बोलते हैं, लेजर लाइट्स, कैंडल्स, दे आर द आर्टिफिशियल सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट बिकॉज दे आर मेड बाय ह्यूमन बींग्स, right? And they are already present in the nature, in the atmosphere, so they are called natural sources of light. Now there are two types of objects that are present in the environment. They are luminous object and they are non-luminous objects, right? So luminous objects are the objects that produce their own light, ठीक है? जो अपनी लाइट खुद प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, दे डोंट रिक्वायर्ड एनीवन्स हेल्प, सो दे आर द ल्यूमिनेंस ऑब्जेक्ट्स. सो दे एमिट देयर ओन लाइट, राइट? दे प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन लाइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जुगनू एग्जाम्पल हम ले सकते हैं. बल्ब इज देयर, ठीक है? सन इज देयर, दे प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन लाइट, right? For example, bulb gives light. As we know that all the bulbs or the tube lights gives light. Why they give light? Due to the flow of current through them. When current pass through these things, they produce their light, right? All the stars that are present in the atmosphere, in the sky, they shine. Why they shine? Because they have energy present inside their body, so they starts producing light. They glow, they produce light, right? So due to electricity, as you know that in our homes we have tube lights, we have bulbs, we have LEDs, ठीक है? Now we are going to have Diwali, ठीक है? तो हम बहुत सारे बल्ब जलाते हैं and they all the bulbs glow. Why? Due to the flow of electric current through them. So they are the luminous object, जो glow करते हैं, ठीक है? जो जलते हैं, they are called luminous object. Electric bulb, stars, they all are luminous object. Candle is there, electric lamp is there, firefly is there, so they are the luminous object. Another is non-luminous object, means they do not produce their own light but they depend upon others for their light, ठीक है? जो खुद लाइट प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते हैं बट दूसरों के ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं वो. For example, moon, as you know that there is no atmosphere on the moon, ठीक है, no light is inside the moon, तो moon doesn't glow, it doesn't produce any light, but we are able to see the moon, है ना, हमें दिखाई देता ना, तो कैसे दिखाई देता, how it is possible for moon to reflect to become a luminous object, right? But when the sunlight, जब sun की rays, suppose we have sun here and we have moon here, right? This is moon, this is sun, and you know that sun glows, right? So sun produces light, those lights will fall on the moon and moon reflect back the those light rays, है ना? When the light rays reflect back from the moon, it starts glowing, it starts producing light. That means it is not producing its own light, ठीक है? Why it is producing light? Due to the reflection of sun's light, it starts producing lights, it starts glowing, right? So moon is an example of non-luminous object. Same with planets, planets are non-luminous, they are not able to produce light. Chair is non-luminous, car is non-luminous, this pen is non-luminous, right? Mobile is non-luminous. They start producing light when others object light will fall on the these things, right? So today we will study only this part, ठीक है? Whatever problem you have, if you are not able to understand any topic, that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.